Look at all these wonderful bakes, Weasel. I think I will enter my famous berry pie this year.
There, all signed up. My spicy pie will be perfect.
Yay! What's in it? Berries? And more spices? First, the fresh spices. They need to be just right.
They smell yummy. Can I taste one?
Now, mix the flour and butter carefully.
Got it. But what if we add something exciting?
Weasel, stick to the recipe.
But spicy peppers will make it zing. Just a few.
Wait, that's too much.
Trust me, it'll be amazing. Now we wait. It should be golden in no time. Oh no, it's overflowing!
Whoa, that's a lot of spice.
This is a catastrophe. Too spicy.
Oops, but maybe we can fix it. We need to balance the spice. More spices?
And some honey to sweeten it up.
Measure twice, add once.
Lesson learned. This time, no extras.
It looks better already.
Teamwork magic.
Careful now, don't jostle it.
It's our masterpiece.
There, ready for judging. It looks spicy, sweet, perfect.
What do you think? Fingers crossed or pause?
We did it!
Most creative catastrophe.
We learned from our mistakes.
And turned chaos into creativity.
Tastes even better now.
Best catastrophe ever. Teamwork made it all work out. Yeah, chaos can be fun with you.
Here's to learning and fun.
Can't wait for the next one.
Don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.